we will learn about community psychology, and it's an interdisciplinary field. So let us see how it has emerged. So before knowing, let us understand what do you mean by the real concept behind community psychology. Community psychology is concerned with social and community problems. This is pretty obvious. It deals with the issues which originates in our societal level or national level and international level, and how social system affects the life of individual, and how this macro level factors can impact micro level systems. Okay, here we are talking about an ecological here we have to understand the ecological layers of a community. Community psychology does not focus on problems, but rather on the strength and competencies of community members. Now let us understand why it is regarded as a multidisciplinary subject, because it is a combination of several disciplines like sociology, community development, political science, cross-cultural psychology, environmental psychology, which is also known as ecology, public health, statistic, anthropology, cultural or performance studies, public policies, and social workers. Now let us understand. See a definition given by Dalton, Elias, and Wondersman in 2001. As per them, community psychology concerns the relationship of the individual to the communities and society. Through collaborative research and action, community psychology seeks to understand and to enhance the quality of life for individuals, communities, and society. Now let us understand some of the very vital aspects which this subject actually follows. First of all, here multiple relationships between the individual and communities are taken care of, which includes our family, our school, the place where we work, our neighbor, our voluntary associations which we have. It may be our religious congregation or the wider locality, the cultural groups, and the society at large. It is committed to develop psychologically valid knowledge that proves to be useful for a community life. We have to enhance, we have to point out and help to protrude those very vital aspects of the community which are there meant for the betterment of humanity. Here knowledge is constructed through action, that means through active participation in the community processes. Here the research methodology which are being used in order to identify and in order to analyze the situations are actually designed in such a manner that the researchers are also they are also the participant, so that they can gauge out the real and realistic situations. Community psychology is a field with a unique new perspective for understanding the individuals within their environment, which includes the largest social system that affects their life. Here, one thing that is important is the person-environment fit. That is an interactional process. How we have to focus about the cause and effect relationship, and we are also bothered about the positive aspect of how human life can progress up to which. Here empowerment and collaborative workforce are the main areas. And one thing which I have to add here is it is not an entity, it is still an emerging concept, it is still defining itself. The layers are still there which are emerging. It is not a complete set of definite discipline, rather it is still in a dynamic stage. Community psychologists simultaneously emphasize both applied service delivery to the community and the theory-based research. They focus not just on individual psychological makeup but on the multi-level of analysis, from individual and groups to specific programs to organizations and finally to a whole community. Later on, we will understand this perspective when we will study the Bronfenbrenner model of ecological theory. Community psychology covers a broad range of settings and substantive areas. Okay, the goal of CP is to community psychology is to examine and better understand complex individual environment interactions in order to bring out social change, particularly for those who have limited resources and opportunities. For example, issues like homelessness, violence, minority people, or the oppressed section, LGBT community, malnutrition, illiteracy, or HIV/AIDS, child abuse, family planning. All these sort of problems the are actually very important, very area which is actually dedicated for the community psychologists to ponder. The aim of CP is to understand and enhance both community life and individual life, that is, it follows a holistic approach. So that's all for today. We will discuss the other parts in the later section. Thank you.